Two game-changing AI platforms, Copy.ai and MidJourney. One burning question: which one truly shines for creators in 2025? On the left, Copy.ai, your go-to AI copywriter for content and campaigns. On the right, MidJourney, the next-gen powerhouse transforming pure imagination into stunning visuals. Let's cut past the hype and get to what really matters. We'll break down each category, score the contenders, and reveal the ultimate winner. No guesswork needed. You might be surprised by how close this matchup gets. All right, here's our mind map for today. These are the categories we're breaking down: core functionality, ideal use cases, pricing, output quality, ease of use, collaboration and integration, and, yep, creative flexibility. That's a lot to cover, but trust me, you'll want to see how these tools differ in every single one. First up, core functionality. Copy.ai is basically your super fast copywriter buddy. It churns out marketing copy, emails, blogs, with over 90 templates. Plus, it's got multi-language support. Nice. But honestly, it sticks to words. So if you're hoping to make graphics or visuals, you're out of luck. And long-form narratives, still kind of basic. Now, MidJourney, oh, and here's something cool. It flips the whole thing. It takes your words and cooks up eye-catching images, like full-on AI art. You get batch processing and some wild artistic controls. But again, if you need written copy, nada. It's only about the visuals. So, if you're keeping score, it's kind of a tie here. Each nails their own turf, but neither does both. Let's talk ideal use cases. Copy.ai, it's perfect for marketers, social media folks, basically anyone cranking out tons of campaign content or brainstorming ideas. It's fast, practical, all about getting those words out quick. But gotta admit, if you need visuals, you're better off looking elsewhere. Now, MidJourney, it's essentially playground heaven for designers, artists, and anyone stuck making mood boards or concept art. Super detailed output, really creative stuff, but for text-based marketing, it just doesn't make sense. So honestly, totally depends what you do. This round, another tie. All right, let's talk dollars. Copy.ai keeps it simple. $36 a month, flat rate. You get everything. No weird upsells, and you don't have to dig around for hidden features. But if you're a basic user or just want to test drive, well, there's no cheaper way in. MidJourney, though, much more flexible. You've got tiers from $10 up to $120 a month. Entry level is just $10. Super friendly, especially if you just want to play around. And, psst, you can pay extra for fast generations if you're, like, in a rush. But there's no free plan, so keep that in mind. Some folks aren't fans of the whole pay-per-time thing. Still, overall, MidJourney wins for having options. So if you like choices, go with MidJourney. Oh, quick pause. Did you know MidJourney operates almost entirely through Discord? And honestly, it's got one of the liveliest AI art communities you'll ever see. People are always sharing wild creations and collaborating all the time. Time for output quality. Copy.ai's copy is pretty natural and creative. I mean, seriously, it's hard to tell sometimes a bot wrote your ad headline. The templates really speed up the process, too. But sometimes, I gotta be real, the results can sound a bit bland. Like, did a robot write this? It's just missing that little human flavor. MidJourney? Oh, wow. This is where it flexes. Its images are insane, super artistic, full control over style and layout. If you needed proof that AI art is next level in 2025, just look up MidJourney's gallery. Only thing is, sometimes the art leans a bit too stylized. And weirdly, it's kind of bad with generating text inside images. So don't trust it for logo text. Which one's better here? Honestly, totally depends on what you need, writing or visuals. Ease of use. Copy.ai is so chill. You just drop in your prompt, pick a template, and boom, words happen. Even if you're new, it's simple as pie. MidJourney? Not so much. It lives on Discord, so if you're not used to chat rooms and bots, it's a bit of a learning curve. Power users love the community. Batch generation is a plus, but newcomers might get kind of lost. So for sheer user-friendliness, Copy.ai takes the cake here. Let's jump into collaboration and integration. Copy.ai has team features, so you can brainstorm with coworkers, delegate, and get stuff reviewed easily. Plus, it's got an API, which is awesome if you want to plug it into your other tools. MidJourney, though, it's basically Discord or bust. The community is great, don't get me wrong, but if you want to integrate with a fancy workflow or use an API, nope, not yet in 2025. So yeah, Copy AI wins for teams and integrations, hands down. Last up, creative flexibility. Copy.ai gives you a fair amount of tone and style options for your copy, and you can crank out drafts for Facebook, emails, whatever. But the creativity is mostly boxed in by its templates, so you're not getting wild, out-of-the-box ideas. MidJourney? This is its showstopper category. You can blend art styles, make mood boards, customize stuff in ways humans can barely keep up. Sometimes prompts give unexpected, maybe weird results, and tiny changes can be hard to dial in. Still, the sheer range for creativity is unmatched. So yeah, MidJourney totally dominates this one. All right, here's the high-level comparison. Copy.ai rules when it comes to team features, integrations, and making content copy easy and fast. MidJourney's the absolute champ for creative flexibility, output quality, and, believe it or not, pricing options. Some categories are tied, but where each shines is super clear if you know what you need. So, bottom line, Copy.ai is your speedy, creative partner if what you need is words. Blogs, ads, emails, you name it. But if you want legit visuals, concept art for your next big pitch, or social media graphics, MidJourney is where you want to be. Pick the tool for your job, and you really can't go wrong. If you want more AI tool reviews like this, or just want to stay on top of the generative AI scene in 2025, hit subscribe, or just stick around. Catch you in the next one.